Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wrike role-based access for enterprise governance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable role-based access for enterprise governance in Wrike, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the admin section by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Permissions. Here, you will see the current roles listed on this page. To create a new role, click the Add Role button. Enter a name for the new role that reflects its purpose. Next, set the permissions for this role by checking the appropriate options that align with your governance requirements. Once you have configured the permissions, click Save to create the new role. Next, go back to the main Settings menu. Click on Users to manage individual user access. Select the users that you would like to assign the newly created role. After selecting the users, click on the Assign Role button. Choose the newly created role from the drop-down menu. Confirm the assignment by clicking Save. Now return to the Permissions section to review the access levels. Ensure that all roles have the correct permissions according to your enterprise governance policies. If needed, adjust the permissions for existing roles by clicking on each role and editing the options as required. Make sure to communicate these changes to your team to ensure awareness. Your role-based access setup is now complete. Conduct a thorough review after implementation to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.